You're here at Bennelong Bay. You're at the southern end of the Bay of Fires coastline. We showcase the beautiful landscape that we have here, heading up along the coast, stopping in at the different beaches and bays and talking about the history and natural beauty as we head along. Passengers can just really sit back and enjoy the beautiful scenery from that very different perspective of being out on the water. Sometimes guests are fortunate enough that we do come across some great sea and bird life. When we come across sea life, especially dolphins, there is not a straight face on the boat. You know, everyone is smiling. It just makes everyone feel wonderful. The most common species of sea life to see are our Australian fur seals. Down at St Helens Island we have our seal colony. It's relatively small compared to other seal colonies, but still between 40 to 50 seals, which is always great to have there. So come to the Bay of Fires, enjoy the beautiful coastline from a very different perspective of out on the water, and we can't wait to have you on board.